Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to accept tickets on SeatGeek. First, you have to log into your account, and then if you get any tickets of any game, just like here you can see the tickets available in SeatGeeks. If you get one of these ticket and you want to accept it, then you just need to hover over your profile icon, and here the first one is tickets. Go to tickets, and in this ticket section you will find the pending tickets that you can accept or reject. Right now I don't have any tickets pending on my account, but from here in this ticket section or the in the purchase section, in some cases you will get the ticket pending on this window. You just need to click on accept ticket button to accept the ticket, or you will find a cross icon to reject that ticket. If you click on that cross icon, it will disappear, and that's means you have rejected that ticket. Now you just need to click on the accept ticket button to accept the ticket on SeatGeek. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.